Do you know that speaking Spanish can open many doors for you? Working in a company and speaking more than one language is usually highly valued, and you can even ask for higher salaries. And also, understanding Spanish culture can be so useful when dealing with the Spanish industry. So today we're going to learn some useful expressions for writing emails in Spanish. So the first thing when starting an email is to read, right? To say hello. So we say estimado or estimada, señor, or señora. This is when you don't know the person you're actually talking to. If you have a relationship already, you can start with hola and the name of the person. Then you can add the reason for writing and who you are if they don't know you. So for example, me llamo Marta y escribo porque. So my name is Marta and I'm writing because. Another example could be, me llamo Lucía y trabajo en el departamento de contabilidad. And for the reason for writing, you can say, te escribo, if you're using tú, you know the person, or more formal, le escribo, if you're using usted. So for example, le escribo para organizar la reunión del lunes. I'm writing to set up Monday's meeting. And to end the email, you can say, un saludo, greetings, esperando su respuesta, esperando tu respuesta, depending if you're using usted or not, awaiting your response, okay? Or even bye, adios. I hope you find these expressions useful and you'll start using them today. Remember that learning Spanish is easy when you focus on what you really need to learn and you make sure to use it in your daily conversations. Remember that you can always book a call with me. The link is in my bio. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!